Accessing your events is very simple in Blaze. To see your camera events, access the Events section. Adjust the time frame as necessary and select the checkmark. For just the event, sort type by changing the event types. Filter the events by selecting the desired event types. Select the specific devices you'd like to monitor and take action on. To view an event, click on the event in the Events section. You can also play the event continuously with the loop option. Access notifications through the panel and double-click an event to view it.